Hello, it is Liam363. I'll just have a couple of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, like folded. I'm here. I just got this at the Dollar Tree. It's $2, not $1 like they usually have them. But they're Blinkus. I've never heard of these, but they look a lot like those little, what are those called? Those little hard bone thingy-majiggies, crazy bones or something. I forgot what they're called. But I think these ones are actually cool because they have changing faces. So I'm gonna unbox this. Comes with 3 stickers. Hopefully I didn't get some of the same ones. Yeah, I didn't. Whoa, these are awesome.
Okay, Colin, here's what I know about an Xbox S, which is that model. That's called the Slim controller.
He's got big eyes right there. Sleepy eyes. Big eyes. It's this little guy. They're like those unbendable skeleton things. I forgot what they're called. He's like crazy. He's like regular right there. And it's like crazy or something. I don't know. He doesn't really change that much. That octopus guy has stars and then he's regular. Now I'll show you my stickers where I don't have to turn them around, hopefully. Yes, they're just like Mighty Beans. So you got games with them. Blinku Battle, Lineup, Blinku Bomb, Blinku Cup, and Blinku Rocks. Here are all the Blinkus. Let's see which ones I got. Oh, you get different stickers than the ones you got. No, you don't. Wait, yeah, you do. You do get different stickers. Alright, first I got my first one, this guy. Still can't figure out who he is. Yes, no, he's not that guy. Here, I'll set him aside. I got Squid, he's number 33. There's Squid. Right there. Oh wait, I did get the right cards. I mean stickers. And that's Earl. So then this guy is Tic Tac. Let me finally go Tic Tac. Tic Tac's number 3. It's actually a different color right there. There must be different colors in the same guys, I guess. And then here's my stickers. Squid here, I'll put them in order. 3 is Tic Tac, 26 is Earl, and 33 is Squid. It's kind of an uncreative name, but oh well. Now I'll read you their bios, their biographies. Tic Tac is the commander of the smallest but fastest hero spaceship. He is a daredevil who loves speed and thrills, and his spaceship is always the first one to arrive when there are rumors about sightings of the aliens. So that's Tic Tac's bio. Here's Earl's bio. Earl loves eating and does it all the time. Well, you can tell he loves eating. He's all fat and stuff. Earl loves eating and does it all the time when not working. He always carries around a sandwich in his back pocket just in case he becomes hungry. He is a very kind alien that loves peace and quiet. And then Squid. Squid is a hyper-intelligent alien and is the only alien that has studied... Why is alien capitalized? That has studied at the well-known University of Wackiness. He's an expert in reading maps and making strategy. Cosmos often states that if it was not for Squid, the heroes would surely not have found all the aliens by now. And then the story about Blinkus. Have you ever walked down the street and felt that you were not alone? Or have you ever noticed something move on the ground? You cannot really see what exactly, but something is there. Take a closer look next time. You have probably seen Blinku Miro Monsters. They are not big, but they are there. For ages, these crazy weird guys have been living in the streets, even on your street, battling, playing, and just having fun. The Blinku are special. They have their own personality. And I really mean personalities, because Blinku can change faces 1 second cute, the next angry, or 1 second funny, and the next scary. So mind your step. Watch out for Blinku Miro Monsters. They are here to play with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.